All right, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we got another installment of another bug. I'm doing a paint job, a military style paint job like young Dolph's vehicles. What I'm gonna do on this, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a time lapse on the video. What I really wanna do is just go ahead and get the job out the way. I'm gonna wash the vehicle, get off all the oils and stuff off the car with a degreaser, start to sand down the car with a 600 grit, and then I'll come back in and start putting down my paint. I'm gonna layer the black first, come back and start laying down the brown and the tans separately. So let's just go ahead and get started in the video. So yeah, yesterday I went and finished sanding down the whole body of the car. That's finished. So what I did this morning, I went ahead and started laying down the pattern to try to see how it looks before I actually recorded, and came out pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing the designs and masking out everything. This is gonna be the first layer, which is gonna be the black. That's gonna be the black layer that's gonna go down. That's gonna go all the way around the vehicle. Curve on the sides, everything, and yeah, see how far I could get with this. Keep moving forward. All right, so I went ahead and painted the top cover. I wanted to see what it's gonna look like. So I went ahead and did the first layer of black, see what it looks like underneath. And if it looks good, then we'll go ahead and continue with the rest of the vehicle. All right, so for the first layer, it looks pretty good. Go ahead and just continue taping off everything. You can see the tape lines here. I don't know if they're gonna go away after I clear it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put some probably wax and grease remover to try to see if I could erase some of those tape lines. I don't know how it's gonna look after, but overall, came out good. That's the first layer. I come back again, do some other layers for like the brown and tan, and yeah, keep moving with this project. Next, I'm gonna start working on the hood area and then the body. So piece by piece, I'm gonna be working on it. So I'm gonna go finish off the hood, get that ready to paint today, and then finish taping off the body of the car itself and getting that ready for paint too. And as usual, every time I say it's gonna be a paint day, it winds up being a friggin' rainy day. Guess I'll cut you back on whenever this stops. So what I got so far with the hood, come out pretty good. I gotta do one more coat of paint on it, pull off the tape, and continue with the body later on.